In this week's court report, a guilty plea is now in for Ann Landberg, the former area teacher charged on January 4th, 2018 with unlawful contact with a child, a gross misdemeanor. Landberg entered that previously arranged guilty plea agreement during her first appearance in district court for her arraignment hearing. During that proceeding, Landberg was present while in custody. The court canvassed the defendant, outlined the guilty plea agreement, and the maximum possible sentence. Landberg pleaded guilty and waived her constitutional rights to trial. Then Landberg addressed the court and apologized for her actions. The court accepts the defendant's plea. Then the court set Landberg's sentencing for July 20th. Nye County's school district superintendent confirmed with News 46 that Landberg worked as a substitute from February 8, 2017 to October 6, 2017. The acts Landberg committed occurred between September 1st, 2017 and October 6th, 2017. Brian Patrick Hearn also recently in district court for sentencing and to answer to the new charges he's facing connected to his previous formal charges of lewdness with a child under 14 and a laundry list of other related charges connected to being accused of assaulting two female minors. During his arraignment hearing connected to the charge of prevent or dissuading a victim, Hearn was present in custody. A guilty plea agreement was submitted to the court, and the court accepts said plea. Then the court set sentencing for July 20th. Additionally, regarding Hearn's previous 19 separate charges connected to child abuse and molestation, the court outlined the terms stated in Hearn's no-low plea agreement. Notably, the defendant now has the previously mentioned new charges, so the state now has the right to argue. Then the victims and witnesses who are minor children addressed the court to testify as to how this has affected their life. Finally, the court sentenced Hearn on count 1 to 48 to 120 months and on count 2 to 19 to 48 months. Those sentences are to run consecutive, and Hearn also got 265 days credit for time served. Hearn's wife and now co-defendant Crystal Hearn's case is also now bound over to district court after she agreed to a guilty plea. Crystal Hearn admitted that she told both female minors to lie about the sexual allegation not being true, and that Crystal telling the minor females to lie about the sexual allegation not being true was a way to comfort them. The court ordered Crystal to appear in district court June 29th. Jack Freeland Allen, the local man arrested following a shooting at Vince Neal's Tatuata Wildside Bar back in 2016, was a no-show for his recently scheduled arraignment hearing. During that proceeding, Allen's attorney, Jason Ernest, advised the court that he has had contact with the defendant. However, he was not noticed of this hearing. Then Ernest requested a continuance. The court continued this matter to June 29th. Allen is facing battery with use of a deadly weapon and assault with a deadly weapon charges for allegedly shooting at a bar patron and a bartender who kicked him out of the bar for being disorderly. Allen reportedly shot at the bar patron and shot his foot as he fled that scene. This has been your court report. I'm Eunette Gentry for News 46.